Okay, here I'm trying to do make a hoop for my garden. I have a pretty big yard, and I have set up all these what I call vertical gardening. That idea, I got it from what's the guy name called LD Prepper on the YouTube. He does a lot of gardening, and I got an idea for these standing bed, what they call vertical gardening. I copied his idea, but I made it out of the pallet wood, which is free. It's a brand new pallet. I had access to it, never been used, and I painted over and then made it. I got 12 beds around here, around my property, and then everything is pallet except for these 2x4 on the top and this pole. And then now I need to cover this up because all of my summer garden vegetables, everything is picked up except for this little bit of dragon, cayenne and dragon peppers. I mean, they're gonna die soon anyway. And I got some what's this, green peppers left and some eggplant. I'm gonna take it off. Everything is tonight is gonna be 26, so they're gonna be all gone. Got some kale. Kale does pretty good, and this is a collard green, savoy cabbage, broccoli, cauliflowers, red cabbage, lettuce, 2 different kinds, onions, and garlics. All right. I was trying to make a bed, a hoop house that goes on top of the box instead of making built-in into the box, because I don't like the built-in, because I have to take the plastic cover off. I wanted to move the whole bed set aside when it's not cold and it's watering easy, and then let it open when it's not too cold. But I came across a problem that I was not able to bend this pipe. For that, you had to bend the pipe, because otherwise the supporting bar does not hold it, because this tension on the pipe is so high. And then you have to have this bar over here, the bottom, the pipe, when it's going to attach to it, and need a lot of T's. Of course I have some T's, but I tried to make it, and the tension wasn't holding. Instead of if I had used 2x4 wood, it would be better, instead of putting in the pipe at the bottom. So I changed my plan, and I decided to go with this, just built in the bed, both sides. What I did, I pre-cut this. This is 3/4 inch thin wall pipe, and this is 1/2 inch electrical conduit. And then I cut this like 12 inches height, and then mark this line over here, so that's all the way across. You see the line? That means you cannot go over it. So all the hoops going to be in the same height, both sides, all the way across. And then I put it this arrow, so that way I won't screw it down all the way around. So that's the easiest way I found it to do it. But I'm going to take this off. I might not need it, because we don't get much snow here in Georgia. So this is for the snow only. But without this bar, I'm thinking it's gonna be pretty sturdy, because these pipes are pretty strong, so I don't think I need these, because I don't like the way it looks. Because over here it looks so nice without the bar, this sidebars, and I think it'll be fine. So I'm going to take that off. And this is a vertical gardening, which I told you, got it from LD Prepper. I use everything, his technique. He's talking about his twine baler twine, and I didn't use the wire that he's talking about over here. I used the trimmer twine, which is relatively, compared to that wire, they hold a lot of weight. And then use all the bolt, screw, everything that he said. And then I had a lot of tomatoes here. I took it off, so the wires, my threads or strings are still hanging over there. That's for the next year. I'm sure they're going to be fine, maybe another year or two. And these are the kales from last year, and I just moving around this for 3 different places, and they're still doing pretty good. I guess the kale never die. And this is, I put it around the property because that way I'll have enough open space in the middle to play around with my little one. And see, I did cut all these pre-cut once and mark it, put 1 screw so I can bring it, put it just like it is. If I didn't have an arrow, I maybe put it this way, so you never know how high or how low it's going to be, because this is 6 inches both sides from the line I have, so it means 6 inches up, 6 inches down. So there you have it. And then now what I did over here, since there is a pole in the middle, I can't build the whole one section over here. I won't be able to open the plastic. So what I did, I attached this over here, and it's going to be one section right there, another section over there. So it's going to be 2 different sections to opening and closing. Because of that stupid pole, I won't be able to do it in one piece. I'm going to make another one over here for this Swiss chard, doing pretty good, but these red lettuce didn't do well. They're already blooming. Banana trees, a couple of weeks ago we had a frost, a little bit colder, and then they all crumple right down. And got some lettuce, arugula, a lot of the Chinese vegetables growing over here, but these beds need to be covered ASAP, otherwise they won't survive. And these are broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Okay, see how the hoops, they all look the same height and then neat, because if I hadn't done that way, probably one is higher, the other one is lower. And this side, I throw some mustard seeds and cilantro, but it looks too cold right now for them. So see, under the cover, I throw these leads over here the other day, see how to do it. They're coming out a little bit. Maybe I have to redo it again, but I have to cover this bed first. We have total 12 beds, everything made out of pallet wood, except for these poles and there's 2x4 long. Even though it's support on the side, the brackets, everything is pallet wood. And I never grow from the seeds. I tried, but some of these vegetables, they don't grow very well in everybody's hands. So I buy the seedlings from the Home Depots, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, wherever I can find better deal. And then I put them in the summertime, put them in the winter. This is the first time I'm doing this winter vegetables. So that's why I never had a hoop. This is the first time making the hoop. And let's see how it does. I'm gonna come back and show you how I did it with the plastic. So hopefully everything's gonna be looking good. Tonight it's gonna be 26 degrees, so this is gonna be all gone if I don't cover them up. So I have a few more hours. Been working for day and night for a couple of days to make this happen. A couple of weeks ago had this a little cold. Got some leaves over here. It's already yellow, so I don't want to have it happen again tonight. So let's do it. I'm gonna come back and show you guys how the plastic went. Okay, all right, bye bye.